Plates aligned on the sled. Go ahead and release magnets.
Magnets disengaging. Clear.
Lanes. As the crane descends, hydraulic arms press the massive steel plates together. Laser scanners flicker
The massive hull rotates slowly, allowing the dual robotic arms to maintain an optimal downward welding angle for maximum precision.
All right, bring it down, watch the gap. Looks good, locking it in now. Start the bolts.
The lower basket of the turret is fabricated from lightweight but strong steel tubing and mesh. Robotic welders create the birdcage-like structure. The breech block slides into the rear of the gun. An automated tool turns the threaded ring, locking the massive...
The hydraulic recoil cylinders are critical. They absorb the massive force of firing, preventing damage to the mechanism. After the trunnion pins are secured, locking the gun assembly in place, the balance is checked, showing how the multi-ton weapon pivots effortlessly. Calibrated torsion hinges allow this armored hatch despite its immense weight.
Flexible, self-sealing fuel bladders are folded and inserted into the armored fuel compartments within the hull.
Each connection is checked with a digital pressure sensor to ensure a leak-proof system before the lines are secured in the brackets. We apply this protective grease to the terminals to prevent any corrosion in the extreme cold.
The heavy steel grills that cover the engine and exhaust are fabricated. These must allow for massive airflow while still providing protection against shell fragments.
The recuperator,
a large heat exchanger that makes the turbine more efficient, is mated to the engine core. Here we see the X1100-3B transmission mating with the turbine engine. This power pack is the heart of the tank's mobility.
A close-up shot shows a technician's hands deftly threading safety wire through a bolt head. This ensures that
Once secured, the technician calibrates the internal baffle system. These flaps mix cool air with the hot turbine exhaust.
The tank's main hydraulic system is filled with fire-resistant fluid injected through a filtered hose until the sight glass is full.
Hand me that driver, quickly.
Torque set to 50, watch your hands.
Clear that harness, we need to close this panel now.
The panels are secured using calibrated shear bolts. A torque-controlled wrench ensures they will break only under specific pressure. The NBC filtration system is installed. A pressure test confirms the unit overpressurizes the crew cabin with
All right, bring it down slow, steady now.
Almost there, watch the alignment on the left.
Looks good, set it down.
The CITV allows the commander to scan for targets independently of the gunner, a key hunter-killer feature.
These detect if a localized laser from an enemy rangefinder or missile is pointing at the tank, alerting the crew instantly. Moved into the drying bay, the intense heat from the infrared lamps cures the carc paint, ensuring an extremely durable and scratch-resistant finish.
This specialized anti-slip texture ensures that the crew won't slip when climbing on the tank in wet or oily conditions.
During the fording test, the primary objective is ensuring the hull remains completely watertight under pressure.
The tank effortlessly ascends the 60-degree concrete incline, testing its torque and track grip before parking.
On the way! Ah! What's the final weight? 72.4 tons, confirmed.
Heavy-duty steel towing shackles are attached to the front and rear of the hull. These are used for recovery or for securing the tank during transport.
Hitch looks good. Chain secured. Confirmed. Ready to roll. All right, hold steady. Keep coming forward. Slow now. A little bit left. Straighten up. Hold. Set the brakes. All right, keep it coming down slow. Watch that corner. Okay, hold it there. Pull the drawstring tight. Strap secure, you're clear to lift.
The manifest is signed. We accept delivery of the vehicle.
Thank you. She's fueled and ready for transport.